Turn your dreams into reality. The magic of image cycling. Hey friends. Hello, I'm your friend and host Mansi and welcome to my podcast. Today we're embarking on a magical journey that's going to fill your life with new energy, excitement and joy. We're diving into image cycling, a powerful technique from the Bengston Energy Healing Method. This is the key to turning your dreams into reality. So buckle up, get ready for this fun and emotional ride, and let's go. I want you to listen with an open heart in mind because this could be a life-changing experience for you. What is image cycling? Friends, image cycling is a technique that harnesses the power of your mind to transform your desires into reality. You create vivid images of the things you want and then cycle through them in your mind like a fast-paced slideshow. This process not only brings your dreams closer, but also channels your inner energy in the right direction. And the best part, it doesn't just work for you, it can also help heal others. My own story. Let me share something personal. A few years ago, I felt a bit lost in life. I had big dreams. I wanted to start a podcast that would touch people's hearts. But deep down, I thought it might just stay a dream. Then I discovered image cycling. I figured, why not give it a shot? I made a list of 20 things I truly wanted. My podcast, a beautiful home, a memorable trip with my family. I visualized each one so vividly that it felt real. And guess what? Today I'm here talking to you. This technique worked like magic for me. This technique worked like magic for me. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Make your list. Grab a pen and paper. Write down at least 20 things you deeply desire. It could be a fancy car, a dream vacation, or a special moment like laughing with friends. One rule: don't wish for someone else unless you have their permission. If you're a parent, you can wish for your young kids. And don't focus on money. Write down what money can bring. Instead of saying 5 crore rupees, write a stunning beachside villa. My story. One item on my list was a garden where I could sip coffee in the morning surrounded by flowers and birdsong. Every time I thought of it, my heart danced with joy. I wrote a garden where I can read in peace. Step 2. Create the picture. For each desire, craft a vivid image. Make it so real it feels like you're living it. If you want a new car, imagine sitting in the driver's seat, gripping the steering wheel. What's the new car smell like? What's the view outside? Is the breeze brushing your face? Engage all your senses: sight, sound, touch, smell, even taste. This step takes time, 5 to 15 minutes per image, but this is where the magic happens. The more real it feels, the more powerful it becomes. My tip: for my garden, I imagined the scent of flowers, the chirping of birds, the warmth of the sun. I pictured sitting there with my best friend laughing over coffee. I felt the coffee's taste, the cool breeze, the soft grass under my feet. It was so real I could almost touch it. Step 3. Assign a word. Choose one word for each image, a shortcut to trigger the picture. For my garden, I picked blossoms. Whenever I thought of that word, the whole scene flooded back. Keep it short and memorable. For a beach vacation, you might choose waves. My story. For my podcast, I choose voice. Every time I thought voice, I saw myself at the mic, speaking to you all. It felt like it was already happening. Step 4. Memorize the list. Now memorize your list. It's a bit of work but super fun. Here's what helped me. Color magic. Write your list with different colored pens. I use blue, red and green to keep my brain engaged. Make a song. Turn your list into a little tune. I sang it to an old pop song melody. Blossoms, ocean, book, home. It was goofy but effective. Walk it out. Divide your list into a mental circle. I picked 20 spots in my room, each tied to an image. As I walked the circle, each step brought a new picture. Test yourself. Cover your list and see if you can recall the next item. If you forget, no stress, skip it and come back later. My story. I turned memorizing into a game. I created a dream circle in my house. At each step, I pictured an image. Once I got so lost in it that my mom asked me, Mansi, why are you pacing around? I laughed. Mom, I'm strolling through my dreams. Step 5. Start cycling. Here's where the fun really begins. Cycle through your images fast. Start with one image per second, then two images in 2 seconds. Eventually speed up to all 20 images in 1 second. This is cycling. But here's the trick. Don't cling to any emotions, joy, sadness, nothing. Just let the images spin. It takes practice. At first it feels odd, but it gets easier. Now I can cycle my list while chatting with a friend over coffee. My tip. Early on I used a metronome map with a beep beep sound. Each beep was a new image. It helped me find the rhythm. Step 6. Update your list. When something on your list comes true, remove it and add something new. Or if you no longer want something, swap it out.
I once removed new car because I realized I didn't need it. Instead, I added a Himalayan adventure. Updating my list kept me excited. My story. When my podcast launched, I removed it from my list and added starting a charity event. It meant so much to me to help others. Step 7. Add a healing intention. Image sighting isn't just for your dreams. As you cycle, add an intention for someone's healing. You're not doing the healing, something bigger and powerful takes over. Just keep emotions aside and cycle. I did this for a stressed out friend. I cycled with an intention for her peace. Weeks later, she said she suddenly felt lighter. My heart soared hearing that. Why does this work? Friends, image cycling trains your mind to focus on the positive. By cycling images fast, you teach your brain to let go of unnecessary emotions and zero in on your desires. It's like sending a signal to the universe that you're ready to level up your life. And when you use it for others' good, it becomes truly special. My story. Once my family was going through tension. I cycled with an intention for peace at home. Slowly things got better. I'm convinced my cycling shifted that energy. Practical tips. 1. Carve out time. Spend 15 to 20 minutes daily making or cycling your list. I do 10 minutes every morning. 2. Visual reminder. Keep your list in a small notebook or nearby. I even made mine my phone wallpaper. 3. Make it fun. Add quirky elements to your images. I pictured a cute puppy dancing in my garden. 4. Share with friends. Tell a close friend about this technique. I taught my bestie and we cycled together. 5. Manage emotions. If you're super happy or sad, start cycling. It'll bring you balance. 6. Dream board. Create a vision board with pictures of your list items. Mine is in my room and it inspires me daily. The magic of image cycling. Friends, this technique is not just a process, it's a magical key. It teaches you that you can achieve anything with the power of your mind. Whether it's your dream job, a beautiful relationship, or a moment of peace. Every cycle tells the universe that you're ready to level up your life, and when you use it for others' good, it becomes truly special. My final story. Last year, I added to my list gift my parents a surprise trip. I pictured us in the Himalayan mountains laughing, sipping hot tea. I cycled it relentlessly. Months later, I planned that trip. Seeing their joy filled my heart. That was the power of image cycling. Final words. Friends, image cycling is the magic that can take you to your dreams. It shows you how powerful you are. Start today. Make your list, create your images, and cycle. I promise something magical will happen in your life. Keep your heart open and trust the universe at every step. A loving request. If you love this podcast, please give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me. Let's make our lives even more beautiful together. See you in the next episode. Until then, tons of love and positive vibes. Goodbye.